Hi beauties, welcome to Truly Tarot, where here we do unboxings and reviews on skincare and makeup. Today I have Slay, and I wanted to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed and got me over the 60 mark. I think we're at 61 or 62. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment. We will be doing a giveaway. Um, I'm not exactly sure. So you comment to me what you think I should do, because last time I did a name in a hat, and I don't know, I just didn't like that, but it was still great. So um do not forget to like ring the notification bell, do that whole thing, like help me out. Okay. So like I said, I have Slay and I just got it, so I'm not sure if this is June or if this was May. Um, but I'm thinking it's my first box in June. So I don't know. I'm going to have to go in and look and see. So let's unbox this. All right. So to start out with, um, it's some kind of spray. I was thinking it was a hair thing, but I am starting to see gold in it. So now I'm thinking that it must be. Okay, Rachel Couture Face and Body Shimmer Spray. Mm. Oh, it smells good. And you probably really can't tell, but it is shimmery. Like yeah. That's not really, I mean, I don't know. That'll look good with a tan. And I do plan on going to the beach in a couple weeks, so that would look good on tan skin. Okay, next we have Babe Beauty Blushing Blush. Wow, that's a lot of bees there. Oh, where's my knife at? You got me a knife, finally. Thank you, Chris, for giving me a knife, and it is definitely already become very useful. I don't want to rip this box, because if I don't, I probably will not want this blush because I have so many. But this looks, I mean, the packaging, I forgot to show you the packaging, is absolutely gorgeous. There we go. Okay, so very, very pink. Okay. All right, next we have Rude Starlet Glitter Lipstick Supercharged. And I should have swatched that. I'm not going to swatch that. Like you can see how pink that is. Okay. I don't know about glitter lipstick, but whoa, check that out. Wow. Yeah, well, I don't know. I'll have to try it and see. Okay, so next we have Charm Focus Double Effect Brow Pencil. I do not use brow pencils. It's just not my thing, but I mean, they're all kind of the same jam. Okay. All right, so last but not least is Pearl Paradise. Amore. I can't tell if that is Amore Us or Amore. I don't know. It's Amore and a little heart and Us. Okay. Ooh, very interesting colors. So let's pick one to swatch. Oh, okay. So I get it. Pearl Paradise, like it's beachy type stuff. Cool. All right. Here is Resort Nights, and this is very glittery. This is, I think it's a Miracle. Yes, Miracle. Why can't you see that? Okay, probably because it's like, let's do just a regular color. Okay, this is green, and it is called Seaweed. Yeah. Okay. Let's try the purple. So the other colors, yeah, I mean, that's pretty. I like that. Okay, pirate. I want to see what pirate looks like. Here's pirate. Okay, and I'm going to try one more, and it is called Madre Perla. Oh, I put it, yeah, I had the green on my pinky. I didn't realize I still had the green. So that's the green and that combined, which it's actually really pretty. Like that rum spice. This is rum spice. I really like that. And then the resort nights, that's the one I swatched, I think, first. And you really, I mean, you just can't see those colors until you get them put on. So, ooh, that shipwreck, I really like that. So interesting colors, and perfect for the start of summer, beachy vibes, that whole thing. $24 is how much this box is, and really, I'm going to have to start letting some of these go, because I really do, my car is going out on me. So I'm going to have to be really picky on, what boxes I get if, I continue. I'm going to continue to do this because I love doing this. I love having this. But I'm going to have to get really selective on which boxes I choose. So again, please talk to me in the comments and let me know what boxes that you like to see me do. I know Ipsy, my choices for Ipsy this past week, whenever I got my choices, were freaking horrible. So I really feel like I'm going to be giving up Ipsy. I keep saying it. I know that I do, but they're just, the picks were just that, not one thing that I liked. And then the Beauty Boost, I can't remember what they initially gave me, but I was like, that better not be my boost. And then they gave me an option to get a Natasha Denona glam palette. So I was a little happy about that, but come on, Ipsy. You guys are supposed to be doing this big new thing, and it's boxy actually. So it's all it's boxy, but it comes in an Ipsy box. It's a mess. It's a mess. I liked seeing that they had, I seen a lot of facial tools, and I do like that. But I don't know, they're just not bringing it. And I'm the Lorella box that I just got, that balm, that was awesome, and the little makeup thing, that's the kind of stuff that we should be getting in these boxes. And Ipsy is just giving you the brands aren't even good anymore. So, I don't know. I'm just about done with it. So you guys let me know what you think. And make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the, I never really tell you guys to hit the notification bell. I was talking to someone at work who was like, you got to tell them to hit the notification bell. So hit the notification bell. And, yeah, I guess that's it for this one. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next, and let me know what you think about, the contest. What do you think that I should do? I'm thinking about doing some kind of little quiz on my videos. Why not? So, all right. I'll see y'all in the next. Bye.